This time we're looking at the Airfix R202 crane, first released in 1962. Straight away you'll notice this particular example is already part built. This actually gives us a great idea of scale and how it fits seamlessly onto your layout. The crane cabin is fully assembled, and you can clearly see where the string is attached, showing how the mechanism would have worked when the kit was brand new. The crane arm is also fully built, and like the rest of the kit, all the parts are moulded in red plastic. That colour choice really helps you visualise how the model would stand out on a layout, even without the paint. The wheels look good too, solid, cleanly moulded, and absolutely ready to roll straight onto a layout. Moving on to the smaller details, the crane hook is present and has actually been painted in silver paint, giving it a bit of character. Then there are the decals, and it's safe to say they've definitely seen better days. Of course these date back to 1962 and the colours have faded over time. They're also rolled up, which means they'd be pretty difficult to use now without some restoration work. Sadly, there are no instructions included in our boxing. They must have been lost along the way. What we do have though is a pamphlet for the Airfix magazine, and on the reverse is a checklist where you could tick off all the kits you owned. It's a fantastic little piece of history, and a reminder of how collecting Airfix kits was just as much a part of the hobby as building them. The R202 crane kit is a great example of classic Airfix engineering from the early 60s. It's simple, eye-catching, and made to work perfectly with model railway layouts of the time. Would you continue the build as it stands today, or leave it part built as a slice of modelling history? Let me know. And if you're enjoying this series, make sure to like and subscribe for more classic Airfix unboxings.